Take calls without stopping. Clear voice, less noise, more focus. The world right in front of you. Meet Neomix G1. Smart goggles with a high-definition camera built in. The world stored in the goggles. Hands-free, eyes forward. Just nod and the shot is yours. 4K photo right when it matters. Want to record? A quick head shake and you're rolling. Smooth 60-frame footage, stabilized for real movement. And with up to 8 hours of always-on recording, nothing gets left behind. Early mornings, late sunsets, low light? No problem. Slow motion, every detail in the air. Built to protect, UV-resistant, impact-certified, ready for the ride. Skin-friendly materials, extra side coverage where it counts. Take calls without stopping. Clear voice, less noise, more focus. With professional impact-resistant lens, everyone sees the world differently.
The Neomix G1 packs a stabilized 4K action camera, open-ear audio, and impact-resistant protection into an ultralight 47G frame. Whether you're cycling, skiing, or running, these smart goggles let you focus on the movement while capturing every second from your exact point of view.
3 frame styles, 3 lens options. Choose the one you like. Neomix G1, made for motion, built for the outdoors.